Blender has a pre-installed scatter add-on. In order to use it, first select the object you want to scatter and then shift-click on the object you want to scatter it on. Then go to Object, choose the Scatter Objects option and start drawing onto the plane to scatter the object. You can further adjust this if you go to the workspace settings and play with those options. Once you're happy, just press Enter and it will create all those instances of your object.